channel. Alright, so I have been pretty much preparing for my wedding that's literally in 2 more months. So I did my own invitations for the wedding and they are here. It's time to unbox them. Okay, so let's get on into it. Oh, this is so cute, the packaging. Okay, so, I knew that, I always do my editing and different things on Canva. I create a lot of different books and stuff on there, but I didn't know that I could order my invitations. It says it's always seems impossible until it's done. Okay. And they come with these cute little boxes. Oh, it's so cute. It says, together with their families, Curtis and Tierra invite you to celebrate their wedding. It has the date and the time and the location. Okay. And then also, I paid an extra $15 for the cards to be added. So, this is exactly how I'm going to send them out to the friends and family. So I will say this is relatively inexpensive. I purchased a set of 100 invitations, and for the 100 invitations I paid $60, and then I paid an extra $15 to include the envelopes, and then I paid $0 for shipping. So free shipping. It said for the free shipping it would be arriving within 7 to 10 business days. But you could pay $5 if you wanted it to be within 5 days. Now I'm glad I didn't pay the extra $5 because it came literally in like 3 to 4 days. So now let's go ahead and get into the computer so I can show you how I made these cards. It literally took me 5 minutes to do. All right. Okay guys, now that we're in Canva, I love that Canva just has so many different options of things that you can do. So what I did was I went here, I clicked on wedding invitation. And then literally you have thousands of templates that you can choose from. But I want to go back and show you the one that I was working on. Let's see, where did I put it? Your projects. This one. Okay. So I was working on 3 different ones just because I couldn't choose. I tried to stay within my color scheme of my wedding. So my colors are navy, peach, not peach, navy, burnt orange, and like a cream. So I kind of went with these color schemes. So you can just click templates. I put in wedding. Invitations. You can do landscape or portrait. So I like portrait. So as you see, all the different examples popped up again on the side. So what I like to do is I'll just click add a page. Normally when you add a page, it will pretty much copy the background of the previous page. So you can either change it to all white, and you can click on elements and just add your own elements and create your own invitation from scratch. But what I like to do is keep it simple. I just click on a template and say, for instance, if I liked, let's see, what's a good one that I can use as an example? Say, for instance, if I like this one, I'll just kind of play around with the elements. Since my colors is like a navy, you know, I'll just play around with the different colors. The fonts, you can change the fonts. You know, you can undo it. There's different things that you can do. So this is what I went with this one. I actually did these three. I just changed the name, I changed the date, I changed the time and the location. And I literally just sent them to my fiance and told him to choose which one he liked the best. And of course he liked this one. I just wanted to make sure that I changed the ratio of the name, made it bigger in the middle with the cursive. And I kind of even kept the same wording how the original file was. And so from there, this is a different feature that I didn't know Canva offered, which made me so excited. When you click print invitations, you can actually do a front page and a back page. So say for instance, if this was the front page, I could have did a blank page and just designed my back page and just clicked on page 3. Like this could have been the front page, and then this literally could have been page 1, could have been the back page. But I didn't want a back page, so I just did everything on the front page, and then it even shows you how it's going to turn out. So cute. And then, of course, I just left it at premium paper matte finish. I did 100 invitations, so you can see the prices here. I clicked on 100. I paid $64. And then I wanted to include the envelopes. So literally $79. And this in-store pickup, for some reason, this option was not available, although it says that you can pick it up. So I hit continue. It says, let's get ready to print. And then when you hit continue again, it just tells you to check everything. Check the sides, check the angles and all that. You hit continue, and then let's get ready to print. And then you would click, let's just click add to order because I don't want to charge myself again because Canva's already connected to my, because I pay for Canva Pro and it's already connected to my bank account, so I don't want to go ahead and charge myself again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, honestly, I paid for it on a Thursday, and then today is Tuesday. So, of course, you don't count the weekend. So I would say roughly 3 days. It took me roughly 3 days to get it in the mail, which was absolutely amazing. So yeah, I highly recommend you using this service because it's been a lifesaver, and I didn't have to look for a print. And then another thing that I realized that I didn't know that Canva offer is they offer other printing services. Like you can literally print t-shirts, you can print mugs, shirts. Like they have more printing options, which is amazing as well. Let me see if I can show you real quick. Is this your project? So I have a lot of different things in here. Let's just click this. Oh wait, that's my photo. This is one of my book covers. Okay, so say for instance, if I wanted to print, I just hit share. Then I would click print your design. And look, you can literally print your design on hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, business cards, flyers, landscape, stickers. You can even make your own stickers. Bumper stickers, tote bags, wall calendars, canvases. Like this is absolutely amazing. Notebooks. You can print almost anything you want to print using this service, and I'm really going to start looking more into the different services they have. Like, I'm going to just start ordering different things on here so I can see the quality, and I can see, how it comes out. Mugs, the prices. I want to really understand like their pricing, and you can, like, it will automatically resize it for the mug. Look at that. It would resize it for the mug. Look at that. That is absolutely amazing. Like, this is a book cover, but I'm just using this as an example of what you can do. So look, one mug is $17.50. You can create your Christmas gifts on here. Like, this is so freaking cool. You can, make gifts for the family on here. So I just really love how Canva is expanding their services and their offerings, and just the different creative things that you can do. Like, so exciting. And I look forward to really exploring everything that they have. And of course, I'm going to start making more videos. And I'm not in no way, shape, or form sponsored by Canva by any means, but I'm just really excited for this platform. Actually, I just wanted to kind of go through a little bit more. Folded cards, rectangle banners, postcards, yard signs. Wow. Okay. So yeah, there you have it. All right. So if you have any more questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll get right back to you. Bye bye.